alright, Pop?
You mind your damn business. I'm alright.
You don't sound like you alright. Sound like you got something going on over there.
Sound like you got that Rona.
What you say, young nigga?
You know you ain't high.
I ain't got no Rona. That ain't even the whole word. You're lazy. That's your problem. You don't do nothing. You don't even use whole word. I know what to do for what's going on with my chest. That ain't none of your concern. I'm gonna go ahead and put some onions in my sock tonight and heat up some oatmeal with a cold fire and I'll be all right.
Come on, Pop. You know them remedies don't work.
And you still don't know what you talking about. Never.
You been sleeping with a carrot up your ass for 10 years and your eyesight's still bad.
What kind of remedies you taking? Regular old drugs? Look at you. Big head drug addict.
Alright, Metamucil butt.
It's called Molly Percocet. You're listening to the past or the future or whatever the ugly motherfucker's name is.
That's the sound of the Rona.
Got this one over here talking. You over here talking. Y'all just, all of y'all are too close anyway.
Like I said, them remedies do not work.
Y'all don't know what works to fix your body. Y'all know what works to muddle your mind.
Grandpa, you need them Percocets.
Why are you even, don't you got a school to go to or something?
School closed. The Rona closed everything, Grandpa.
Y'all a bunch of punks. When I went to school, chickenpox just came out. And guess what? We went to school with boils all over our face. Y'all gonna get wiped out by a common cold.
They say it be on surfaces. It be on everything.
You're gonna be coughing all over the place. You ain't got a mask, you ain't got a tissue, you ain't got a paper towel, you ain't got nothing.
It be on everything.
Young whipper shitter, you don't know a damn thing.
You better be careful. You're gonna sneeze one time and the rest of your teeth gonna fly out.
Just like your mama. Need to go and be with her.
Mom is dead, Pop.
Well,
You a piece of
That's
work.
the sound of the Rona.
they said
Working
you're supposed
on
to be
you
6 feet away from me
days.
anyway. You can't give me 6 feet. I'm gonna give you 6 feet deep. Keep messing with me.
I am 6 feet away.
That's the sound of the Rona.
I don't think I'm gonna make it with you two
Ain't like I want to be quarantined with you anyway. This was mandated. This ain't a choice.
I thought I taught you better. You ain't nothing. You just like him. You the reason that he the way he is.
Hey, you old
But you
too,
know what?
Grandpa?
Somehow this boils down to my fault.
That's the sound of the Rona. Working on you, changes.
Son.
With your old ass.
That's the sound of the Rona. Working on you, changes.
Life will take you through some ups and downs, 'cause life is full of changes, so many changes. But through those ups and downs, you gotta stay on solid ground and keep your patience. You gotta keep your patience.